Hello and welcome back to another integration video. And what we will do in this video is first I will go to our enrollment section and I will show you our integration with Let's Encrypt, how to generate a certificate with that, and then I will show you how to actually use that integration to automate certificates for F5. So going down here, we can go to our enrollment section, and first I'll generate a certificate with our Let's Encrypt CA. So we'll go through here, we'll select our domain, we'll select a domain name, a subdomain name. We'll do 1234. Then we'll select a key length. We'll go with the recommended 2048 bit size. And then we won't specify any other information here, but we'll generate that certificate. So it'll go through and generate that. So now that that is done, we can click download and we'll download in the CR format. And then we can go here, open up our file, open our certificate and see the certification path. And we have the ISRG root x1, R13, and then our domain here. So that works great. Then, now that we've showed you the integration with our Let's Encrypt CA, so we've generated that certificate, we can go to our utilities, and now I'll actually show you the integration with F5. So you don't actually need to generate anything in our enrollment section for these steps, but what I want to go through and show you is here I have my F5 agent, and what this will do is we can generate a new certificate. It will apply that certificate automatically, or you can just renew it and apply it later, as you can see here. So before I actually go and do that whole process, what I want to do is I want to go through and show you my F5 instance that I have set up and show you the serial numbers so you can see the changes that have been made on F5 here. So here we have our test profile. I created this and it has our certificate and it has our private key and our chain. So as you can see here, we're just going to base it off the last few characters here. So it's 3ED4, and then same with our cert chain and key under our certificate management under SSL certificate list. So we can see we have all of them here. We can see the common name, which I'll change just to more easily identify it when we go in and actually renew that. All right, so now that we know which certificate is currently bound, so once you come back here, you can update the certificate on CertSecure's end first. So you'll go to your F5 agent, right click. There's a couple options here. You'll go down to update cert. And for this, I'm just going to add a watcher, for example. Okay, you can make other changes to the certificate, but that's what I'm going to do. Click save. And then once you have that updated on CertSecure's end, you can go back here and there's a few options. So you can view that certificate that you just did. See, now we have that additional watcher. And then once you have that, you've confirmed all the changes, you can either renew or renew and apply. So this is for if you want to renew the certificate and then manually apply that at a later date, or you can renew that and automatically apply it. So we're going to do that. Click yes. And then we can track that in our task section. So as you can see here, it's picked up the task. And what that will do is the agent will then generate that certificate with Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt will send the certificate and it will automatically grab that and apply it. Once this is done, we'll go back to our F5 instance up here and we can see that certificate under SSL list, and then we'll see it bound to that profile. So let's click refresh. As you can see, it's been successfully bound. So we're going to go back up here. We're going to refresh. And as you can see, we have an additional certificate. So to explain here, we had that old certificate that was 3ED4, and then same with the chain and with the private key, as you can see here at the end. So we have this new chain with 4D03 for the certificate. So we're all good there. We can actually delete that certificate if we'd like, but for the sake of this, I'm just going to go to the test profile. And then we can refresh. So we see here currently 3ED4. Refresh. Might take us out of this. Nope. As you can see here, it's been updated and pushed to this test profile. So that is how you actually go through and automate that process. It's really quick, easy, and this integration with Let's Encrypt is going to help you with automating these tasks and not have to manually go through, generate that certificate, grab that certificate, and apply it to F5, and then apply from there. So it's a really quick, easy process. But that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule a demo for our CLM, you can email us at info@encryptionconsulting.com, or you can comment down in our YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and bye.